Bad vloggers, bad. We just put up the IKEA lights. They're working. That's pretty cool. They're like super bright, but you know, a little illumination because it's pretty dark out there. Hey, don't scratch that. Beat you, cat. I just want to look outside. I just want to look outside. It's pretty cool though, right? So I mean, they're not like super bright, but they're cool. She's watching Netflix on her tablet. And these we didn't put out yet, but we're going to tomorrow. Cover it up. I can't really tell. And a light comes on. There you go. What? Yeah, I know. What else? Oh, okay.